Hey, Maramy and Danny. Hope y'all are doing well. Wanted to go over just a real brief analysis that maybe would help you tonight with whatever decisions y'all need to make out there. Um, but basically, this is our square footage, 1,822. If I remember right, part of that is a finished garage. It may not count for quite as much per square foot, but that's the multiplier we use to figure out kind of where we are. I haven't seen the place. I know that y'all have indicated it needs a lot, so I'm not going to nail down any numbers here, but I did just want to share the comps with you. These are all of our comparable sales. I'm pretty familiar with all of these, but just so you know, this is what things are selling for in Bluefields right now. Only one of these was not in great condition. The other ones were pretty decent, but you see right here, 149 a square foot, 159, 158, 130, 138, and 188 a foot. So with yours needing work, the way that would appraise out, or not appraise out, appraisal is a whole nother problem we can talk about later. But the way that I would value that is basically come up with how much money it would take to get that to the condition that it would really need to be in, and then use one of these prices per square foot here. Probably we want to go kind of a mid-range because, for instance, this one right here, which actually hasn't closed, is going to be selling for over 200 a square foot, but say that one at 188 a square foot. So we'd probably go with something about 160 a square foot and just say, okay, to get it into this condition, it would take this much money. Anybody doing that would expect to get, paid a little bit for their work. In this market, they're not getting paid much. That's why I'm not going to suggest you do any of these repairs. It's just the return on the investment is just not there. There's too many owner occupants willing to do the work for next to nothing. And then that's how I'll kind of come up with the value. With the appraisal, they are gonna have to appraise it against a house in like condition. So we're gonna have appraisal problems just regardless. We're having them all over the place right now. But even more so with a house that needs some work. So what we would probably be looking for is a construction loan, which is very easy to get now, or the 203K. It's a FHA loan or a cash buyer. Anything else, we would not look forward to accepting that contract. We may accept it, but again, back to the appraisal problem. So, hope that helps you guys out a little bit. I don't want to say, exactly where it's going to land us because I just need to get in there, but no pressure there. Just thought that might help you guys and help you figure out what you want to do with your house in California. Talk to you later. Bye.